Welcome back to the channel. So for this week, for Hot Rod of the Week, I chose something that y'all are going to go crazy over. Now, you know me, I'm a die-hard Ford man, but if there is one Chevrolet that I could ever own, it would be this car. And I don't take that very lightly in saying that. And so I got a buddy of mine, and his name is Joe Davis. You've seen him in other videos and you've heard me mention him. Well, today you're actually going to get to meet him, and you're going to see him a lot more upcoming in episodes. But today we're going to take a look at Joe's super awesome 67 Chevelle, and I think you're going to love why I think it's special. Everybody, this is Joe Davis. He's a really good buddy of mine. He works with me. He helps me a lot on my truck and whatnot. And that Chevelle that you just seen is his pride and joy. So yep. Joe, tell everybody a little bit about that car.
Well, that car is a little factory 283 Power Glide, just a Malibu car. It's not an SS car. I restored the car and started playing around drag racing a little bit. Decided I need a little more motor.
Like we all do.
Exactly. Has a 408 in it now. I'm just lucky to have a guy like Andy that knows how to tune. Be a good friend of mine. Hopefully he's got a good tune in it today so we can run it here at Union.
I'll give you that $20 when we get done videoing this for saying that.
No, Andy's a good guy. He's one of the best tuners I know around here in Gaston County. So it's good to have a friend like him to help me dial this thing in, and we're gonna run it here at Union today and see what it'll run.
So Joe, you said you had this car for quite some time. How long did it take you from start to finish on this build, would you say?
So basically working on it, you know, on my own time, about 6 years. It was gonna be all original, a little 283, just a cruiser car, and decided I wanted a little more power and decided to step it up to a 383, and then I found out I wasn't gonna be able to keep up out here at the drag strip, and we stepped it up to a 408. So it's a good driving car, factory air car, power steering, power brakes. It's really on the line as far as a drag car, street car, but it's got a good mix with a 700 transmission, and I can still drive it, come out here and have a little fun with it.
Yeah, this car is as tight as any new car that you will find as far as driving it down the road. No squeaks, no rattles, and like he said, with that 700 R4, this thing is just unreal out on the open roads. It's a perfect combination for a daily driving car. And so I just want to thank Joe for sharing it with us, and I hope you guys on YouTube like it. You know, if you like what we're doing with the channel, please put that in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'll keep bringing you these awesome, immaculate cars. Until next time, this is Andy. See ya.